Hi, 7th graders. This is Mr. Ron Hobdy, and here's what we did on October 13th and what we will be doing on Monday, October 16th. So we did your bell ringer warm-up. You took a continental drift pre-assessment on Mastery Connect, handed out the second review checklist, and then you participated in a continental drift activity. So the checklist is available on Schoology if you don't have yours, and the target we're working on next 2 weeks or so is to identify and describe the evidence supporting the theory of continental drift. And on your handout, that would be this first chunk. And once we make our way through that material, that will be an essay test, either written or typed. And we got a bunch of steps to help you be successful on that. So that will be an essay format test when you're ready. All right, then we set up notebooks. And page 9 was the Earth Science Review checklist, and then page 10 was the Pangea activity. For that, your question was, what is Pangea and how do we know it existed? So what we were looking at was, okay, what is Pangea? What's a supercontinent? And what is the evidence that suggests a continental drift happened? So what proof is there that this happened? So you did an activity, which I'll show you in a second, and at the end of that, you were supposed to answer these 5 questions on the left side of page 10 in your notebook. So if you did not have time for that in class, you can do that from home. You'll write your summaries for this next class as a warm-up. All right, so the activity was pretty straightforward. Everybody got a handout like this, and this is available on Schoology if you were gone, and there's the directions in the top left. The idea was to use some fossil and mountain evidence to create kind of your version of what Pangea might have looked like. And we'll compare that with scientist models in class next week, and then we'll take it from there. All right, so there was no homework unless you were unable to finish during class, and then you should make sure you answered these 5 questions on the left side of page 10. All right, that's it. Have a great weekend, and B-Day, we'll see you on Monday.